What are you doing today? What are you making?
Making feijoada today.
What is it?
Feijoada. It's a Brazilian national dish.
Show me.
Come here.
平常吃什么东西可以增加抵抗力呢？那今天我们要把一个又美味又不难做的加强菜给大家介绍一下。
Bean stew. So we've been soaking that overnight. Went to the Filipino grocery store and got some pork neck bone, beef neck bone, good prices too. This is about $2.26 a pound, $2.40 a pound, and this is beef tripe, 87 cents a pound. We didn't. The recipe has chorizo in it, but we just use like the Filipino sort of spicy sausage, which will work, and an onion. And you use a lot of smoked meats, but in order for me to give the smokiness to it, I get this Mexican chipotles, which is a pepper, and it has a very smoky flavor to it.
Let's start.
认识我们的朋友都应该知道了，我们从2019年的8月1号开始旅居世界。那有关我们的旅程呢，记得 follow 我们的 IG， 还有这个 YouTube channel， 一起环游世界啦。那另外呢，如果你是从外地回到香港过圣诞节的话，隔离一定要到指定的饭店哦。那看到最后，我会给大家一个懒人包。那这个人呢，碎碎念了好2个礼拜咯，要吃巴西的黑豆饭。那好了，今天我们准备好所有东西，他说要亲自下厨。那第一件事情要把黑豆泡1个晚上哦，那然后再煮大半个小时。大家如果有压力锅就更快了。
Wait, no, I don't need to cut that. Which way did I cut this? It's been a while since I chopped onions, since I really have already really messed it up. Sorry.
然后呢，切好材料备用。用盐水泡肉类1个小时，再沥干。洋葱切好分2份。然后呢，准备好蒜头、海盐、月桂、西班牙的烟熏红椒、洋葱。那腊肉肠也要切成小块哦。
Here is a man who didn't cook for a long time and he started cooking. That's how it looked like. 那现在呢，这位先生在做川汤的动作呢。那身为一个香港人，那习惯叫他飞水。那台湾人听到哈，你讲什么？不好意思。那川汤就是你把肉类放在煮好的水里面，就烫一烫这样。那把肉的一些不好的东西把它弄出来，这样哈。那谢谢 Ray 非常专业的川汤。
So you're supposed to use bacon, raw bacon, because of the fat. It's the fat to be but we only have already cooked bacon. So I'm adding duck fats. A lot of it.
那川汤以后呢，就把这些肉类跟蒜头跟洋葱就一起在锅上炒。那炒到香香的就行了。
A little bit golden now, so you add the onions. And that's more or less ready. So I'm gonna put the salt in, the bay leaves. And this is something I made up. This is chipotle peppers with adobo sauce, and it's a smoked pepper, which is quite tasty, and it gives us the feijoada a smoky taste. Because in some recipes you're supposed to use smoked meat, and so I just add this instead.
那有传说 feijoada 是一个巴西的灵魂料理。那有些人说是奴隶将主人剩下来的菜呀、饭啊、肉渣放在一起，然后做成炖菜。那有些人又说它是葡萄牙殖民巴西的时候留下来的。
After I finish frying up the meat, I will put it with the beans.
Ready now?
Yep. Time to transfer.
Okay.
And then I turn this off.
Smells good.
那关火后呢？那把肉放到豆子里面一起炖，大概要炖2到3个小时，要慢慢火炖吼。
How do you call it?
Farofa or farofo? I forgot.
Farofo?
Farofa?
那这个 farofa 是烤木薯粉，成分是用那个洋葱、蒜末，煎香以后加一点点的盐巴，好，然后加上培根。
Almost like a vegetable for baking. Will you bake the carbonara?
No.
Sir?
Let's just go on top of it.
Okay.
然后呢，慢慢加木薯粉，在火上一直的搅拌，直到香香的就可以了。那这个 farofa 要放在黑豆饭上面哦，像装饰又添加一种非常惹人的香味。好咯，木薯粉 farofa 做好咯。
How do we do with this thing?
What we do is over a bowl of rice. Rice is optional that you put the fish water. And on top of the fish water, you put this.
Oh.
Let's see how this looks. Let's test the meat out.
然后呢，1碗白饭哦，加上炖肉，浓浓的肉质，非常的好下饭。那冬天吃这个非常的适合。那夏天的时候呢，巴西人喜欢加一片柳橙，让料理马上变得很清爽哎。
How is it?
The smoky taste is so good. The texture, you know, from the whatever it is, that's quite good too.
那关于最近香港入境隔离的新规定，目前还是要住一个指定的饭店哦。那如果大家打算要12月22号回来的时候，就是要入住政府指定的。我知道大家很忙，那所以呢，上飞之前记得要检测，还有我在下面会留下一个指定饭店的链接，大家都可以看哦。好了，下次见，记得留言、按赞，还有订阅我们的频道啦，拜拜。